How to shift transfer case to neutral on Hummer H3. Step 1. Set the parking brake. Step 2. Start the vehicle. Step 3. Put the transmission in N, neutral. Step 4. Make sure the transfer case is in 4-wheel high. Warning. Shifting an all-wheel drive vehicle's transfer case into neutral can cause the vehicle to roll even if the automatic transmission is in P, park. Make sure the parking brake is firmly set before you shift the transfer case to neutral. Step 5. Simultaneously press and hold the 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low lock buttons for 10 seconds. The neutral light will come on when the transfer case shift to neutral is complete. Step 6. Press and hold the regular brake pedal and shift the transmission to R, reverse, then shift the transmission to D, drive. Step 7. Turn the engine off. Step 8. Place the transmission shift lever in P, park. To shift out of neutral. Step 1. Set the parking brake and apply the regular brake pedal. Step 2. Shift the transmission to N, neutral. Step 3. Press 4x4 control button for the desired transfer case shift position. Warning. Shifting the transmission into gear before the indicator light stops flashing could cause damage to the transfer case. Always wait until the indicator light stops flashing before putting the transmission back in gear. Step 4. You may start the engine and shift the transmission to the desired position. Click like if it was helpful and consider subscribing for more tips and adventures.